Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying the essentials, Android version and available storage. Once done, clear Play Store cache and data to reset temporary errors. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link. Large downloads fail on flaky networks. Next, check the Play Store app permissions and Google Play Services status. You need both enabled. If Play Services shows outdated, update it first. This sequence removes common mismatches, so the device can correctly report compatibility to the store. Once the basics are set, tackle deeper causes. Force stop Play Store and Google Play Services, then reboot to refresh system reporting. If Play Services is missing updates, sideload the correct APK only from trusted sources and re-enable Play Store. Check app compatibility flags, ABI ARM64 versus ARMyBI, Min SDK version, and required features. Mismatches cause the error. If you manage app bundles, ensure correct APK splits or device profile in Google Play Console. Finish by forcing a final reset. Clear Play Store data, sign out of your Google account, then sign back in. This forces the store to reevaluate device compatibility. If needed, temporarily change device model or region via developer tools or root-only methods, but only as a last resort. Make sure to uninstall mods that alter device fingerprint. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset, because corrupted system settings can persist. Remember, back up, then reset, and recheck Play Store compatibility immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.